Hello everyone, welcome back again. In this tutorial today, we are going to continue our discussion on HTML elements. Today, we are going to use the HTML small element and the mark element. So quickly, let's get started. The HTML small element. The HTML small element defines smaller text. For example, you will give it opening and closing small tag. Inside it, you are going to give it the text you want to design with it, and the HTML mark element. Inside this, the HTML mark element defines text that should be marked or highlighted. For example, you are going to give the when you write p tag, the text inside the p tag, if you want to mark anywhere in it, you are going to put the mark tag, the opening and closing mark tag. Inside it, you are going to enclose it with the text you want to mark inside the p element. So quickly, let's see how it works. The small tags first. So this is the small tag. Let me copy the text only. So let's come back to our document here. Let's reload our document here. This is an empty page now. So let's come back here. Let's write our small tag. Small. Benefit of using the VS Code: it automatically generates the code for us. So inside here, let's save it and see how it looks first. You see, it shows nothing. So come back, and inside here, let's put our text here. This is the text we want to use. So this is smaller text. Let's save it and see how it looks. Quickly reload it. Can you see? This is smaller. This is small. This is some smaller text. Let's give it p tag and see how it looks. Let's do like this. Bigger. Let's give it bigger. Save it and see how it looks. You see, the p tag is having the normal bigger text, but when you give it smaller text, the text will be small. And see something again quickly. Let me show you something here. You can use this one by their side. Let's see. This is double small text by each side by side. Let's reload it. As you can see, smaller text. And you can also do it like this. Tap. They can come under each other, and the same goes. Let's see how it looks. As you can see, they are both by each of their sides. So let's say we want to do one thing again. What can we do? We can design it also. We can style it with our style attribute. When we give it a style attribute, we can give it we can give it no. We can give it height. Yes, we give it height. We can give it height of 20. Let's see how it looks. I just want to demonstrate something here. Can you see something? Let's see something again. Let's give it font size. %. Let's give it 10%. Can you see? You can see how it looks. Can you see this one now? So you can give it. There are some styles that will work with it, but there are some styles that will never work with it. So you can give it color. You can give it a lot of styles. So this one works only for this one, because we have already opened and closed this text here with the small tag. So they are going to have different styling attribute. So we can copy this one now and put it here. You will see this one also will have the same style now. Can you see? It is small and it looks beautiful. This is p tag here. P tag can also have that same style attribute. Let's come back and save it. Can you see? Now they are looking the same. We control the p tag and the small text tag with the same attribute. So you can do a lot with it. So that is small tag for you. So today we continue again. We go to p tag that we have the mark. This is mark element. The mark element defines text that should be marked or highlighted. So let's quickly understand how it goes. Copy this and come back to our document. Bam. Now you will see the magic here. Here, let's say we have milk here. Milk. Now let's save it. You see, this is p tag. Opening and closing p tag with the text inside. Save it and reload your page and see how it works. Can you see? Let me remove the small tag so you can understand what is happening. Can you see? Do not forget to buy milk today. So come back here. Let's change the p tag to mark element. The mark element. Let's use mark element. So we enclose the milk tag with mark element. Let's see how it looks. We'll see this one will change now. Something will happen there. Can you see? It's having color, background color yellow. This is the fourth mark decoration. It's having color yellow. As you can see very well. As you can see, it's highlight. Can you see? Mark or highlighted. So this one, it's highlight. So I think you are getting the point now. So in the future tutorial, we are going to discuss how we can decorate this. And this one, you can give it any style you want also. Let's say style. Give it what can we give it? Let's give it font family. Let's give it Algerian. Save it and see how the mark will look. This text will change. Can you see how it looks now? So you can see, you can do a lot of things with it. So the mark element, this milk is enclosed inside the mark element. And with this, we give it a style attribute along with the value I want to put. So that's why it shows like this. So I want you to understand this very well. So I think what we learned so far today is about the mark element. The mark element. So I think we are done for today. Once again, my name is Anwar Akorede Ayofe. I'm going to see you next time. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.